Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Here I want to show you step by step how to buy the cryptocurrency Binance coin. This we're gonna do on Binance. Binance is the biggest crypto exchange in the world right now and also has the lowest trading fees of only 0.1%. And if you use the link in the video description, you save another 20% on trading fees so that you actually pay 0.08% on fees. At first you have to do registration, therefore you just click on the link in the video description, then you come to the right registration page and the 20% trading fee discount is also automatically activated. After your account is created, you just log in at Binance and go to the dashboard, and from the dashboard you click here on the menu and on identification. The identification is necessary to be able to deposit fiat money, therefore you just click on verify to do it. And if you want to increase your limit, you can click here on address verification. After the identity verification is done, you are able to deposit fiat money. Therefore, you just click here on buy crypto and then on bank deposit. Here you just choose your currency and your payment method. You can use bank transfer and credit card, but you can also click here on crypto and, for example, deposit Bitcoin. After you just type in this field how much money you want to transfer and then on continue. Now you get the bank details which you need for the wire transfer, so just log in into your online banking and do the transfer. After 1 to 3 business days the money should arrive. When the money has arrived, you just click here on wallet and on fiat and spot. Here you get an overview of all your cryptocurrencies and fiat money, and like I said, if the money has arrived, you can start buying Binance coin by first buying Bitcoin, and with Bitcoin we can buy Binance coin. Therefore you just search for Bitcoin and click here on trade. Here you just choose your local currency. In my case it would be Bitcoin Euro. And then you come to the trading view where you can easily buy Bitcoin. Here you just click on market order, and after you define how much money you want to invest in Bitcoin. But you can also use this adjustable bar to define how much of your available balance you want to use to buy Bitcoin. If this is fine, you just click here on buy Bitcoin. After you go back into your spot wallet. Here you can now start buying Binance coin with Bitcoin. Therefore we just search for it. You have to search BNB to find it, and now you click here on trade. There you just click on BNB Bitcoin, and now you can use your Bitcoin to buy Binance coin by scrolling down, clicking here on market order, and here you just define how much Bitcoin you want to invest in Binance coin. But you can also use this adjustable bar to define how much of your available Bitcoin you want to use to buy Binance coin. If this is fine, you just click here on buy BNB, and that's it. If you want to sell your Binance coins, you can go to the right side here and define how much you want to sell, and after you just click here on sell BNB. Yeah, that's it for the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a like and subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye bye.